Here's SoulTalk AI app. This is another character chat, AI character chat app. It's a quickly growing app. As you can see, SoulTalk AI character chat. You can find it here. Welcome to the world of SoulTalk AI, where you can find your unique AI companion among countless AI-driven characters. Whether you seek emotional comfort or intellectual inspiration, SoulTalk AI offers warm companionship with immense chat experiences and roleplay. Chat with various AI characters anytime and anywhere. SoulTalk AI connects you with a variety of AI characters, whether it's your favorite anime character, whether it's your favorite movie character or celebrity, you can create it so you can participate in realistic conversations. Um, Powered by cutting edge AI technology and models, create custom characters, romantic adventures, daily companionship, and all of that. So there are so many apps like that right now in the app store. There are some leader apps like Character AI, like Toki AI or Chai app, and there are a bunch of alternative apps. There are probably like 10 new apps every day in this area. Everyone is just competing with each other. So here is the app. Then you can just try to talk with in the app. So here you can just go and try to message it. So here's how it looks like. It's kind of very similar to Toki interface, but very simplified. You can have some suggestions. You can have some saved and reset, save, delete messages. Then you can have some persona messages. And then what else? Then you have challenges. That's something new. So you need to participate in these AI challenges. I haven't heard about it before. So this is step into the role of the interviewer, where candidates face off in the battle of peace, test their skills, spot the hidden gems, and see who rises. And then you can just have some bonus and get some free coins. And then you have your chats. You can delete chat or you can hide the chat. So here's your account. You can go and create an account. So log out or delete your account. Show voice automatic play. Then if you want to, you can just upgrade. So lifetime is $100, so pretty good option. Yearly $89, so lifetime pretty good purchase. Here what you have, as you can see. And then you can create your character as well. So there is like one-click creation, but still you need to give it some images, and then it just creates it for you. So that's basically that's how you can do it. Then you have your profile. You can change your username and create a lot of characters. So that's your name and that's your ID. And that's the app. So there you have it.